Are you looking for an easy houseplant? Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, is perfect. This low-maintenance plant brings life to any space. Let's dive into why you should grow it. Pothos is renowned for its heart-shaped leaves. They come in various colors: green, yellow, and variegated. This adaptability makes it an ideal choice for first-time plant owners. Now, let's explore how to care for pothos. First, consider lighting. While it prefers bright, indirect sunlight, it can thrive in lower light too. This makes it versatile for any room. Next, let's talk about watering. Water your pothos when the topsoil feels dry. Overwatering can stress the plant. Underwatering might cause drooping. Finding that balance is key to its health. Now, what about soil? Pothos love well-draining soil. A mix designed for houseplants will work perfectly. Good drainage helps prevent root rot. Another essential aspect is feeding. During growing seasons, use a balanced fertilizer. Do this every 4-6 weeks. This promotes lush growth and healthy leaves. Pothos also purifies the air. Studies show it can remove toxins from your space. This makes it beneficial for your health and environment. Imagine a trailing pothos in your living room. It adds vibrancy and freshness, enhancing your decor. Even beginners can create stunning plant displays. To summarize, pothos is a resilient, beautiful addition to any home. With proper care, light, water, soil, and feeding, you'll enjoy its beauty for years. Ready to bring a pothos into your life? Visit your local nursery or shop online today. Start your plant journey with this amazing houseplant.